Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video, I have a 10-seater dining set for you. 10-seater dining table and 10 chairs. I'll go into the details. Before that, the entire set is in teak wood, walnut finish, high gloss, and as per the customer's requirement, choice, colors, size, and the fabric. Everything as per client's choice, and this is what Aarsun does. We make choice wala furniture, what you want, not what we have. These days we have got so many options, so many designs, and everything is getting designed according to the theme, the pattern, the liking, and this is what we are working on. I'll give you more details about this unit, but first let's see the chair first. The chair we have is double carved. Double carved means carving at the back as well as the front part of the unit. Here the entire thing is carved from the front as well as the back of the unit, and the carving on the legs, you can see the same leg carving on the back and front as well. This is quite important in a dining set because generally the dining is visible from all the sides, and it really looks very good when you have design at the back as well. The back height is close to 4 feet, a wide chair, ample seating space, and you can see it's a 2 feet left to right, 2 feet front to back. Quite good spacious chair, and a little higher than what the regular chairs are. It's 22 inches high. Normal chairs are 20 inches. As the client wanted, they are quite tall, so they wanted everything a little higher. Even the table is 3 feet high. General tables are 30 inches, 2.5 feet. This is 3 feet, 6 inches more than regular tables. I'll go to the table. Before that, I'll show you one more thing. The master chair. Generally, when we have a dining, there is a set of chairs, queen chair or king or queen chair you can call, or master chairs, the chairs with the handles, and they are on either side of the unit, that side and this side. This is again optional thing. If you don't want handle chairs, you want all the chairs to be same, we can do that. And if you want chair, all the chairs with the handles, that can be done. But generally king and queen concept is two chairs, this side and that side. So the handle is the difference, rest everything is same. The carving part, the design part, and the overall looks except the handle part. I'll put it back, and I'll remove these chairs so you can see the entire design of the dining as well. This is solid teak wood. The chairs are not that lightweight, and this one as well. So 4 chairs on either side and 2 chairs on both ends. 10 set, 10 chairs dining set for you. Now let's look at the carving part. And the most important part is the carving that you're looking at is hand carving. Nothing by the machine, no machine work entirely. And it's a solid top unit. The top is also wood. The entire unit that you're looking at is teak wood. And the carving part, let's start with the leg. And you can see a beautifully carved lion face right here. And the work on that, you can see how beautifully the artisan has carved out a lion face entirely and shaped it like a leg. And then the middle part, the support part, and the top part with the light carving in the middle here and on the sides. The size of dining table is 10 feet by 4.5 feet. Regular tables are around 4 feet, this is 6 inches more as well, and the entire look is right here. When we talk about dining tables, there are 3-4 options majorly. 4 leg unit or the pillars design. So you can have pillars instead of the legs if you want. And on the top, we have got plain top, just like this one. You can go for carving top, the entire carving on top part. Or you want to keep an open glass on the top, you can go for the sides also. We provide that too. So on the sides, we provide a strip of wood on all the sides and middle part open. So you can simply place the glass, marble, anything you want on top of it, and it works. On this one, the solid top, either you can use table mats or you can place a glass, and this would work fine. Generally, the fragile items like marble, granite, all these things we don't provide. But out of India, when we are sending the stuff in containers, we do provide that because that's a very safe handling. And in container, we can easily transport the stuff. In India, there is slight issue also. And the best part is in entire India, you can get these things very easily. Call a local guy and they can provide the same thing in similar prices. The price difference is not huge. So it's better to avoid the fragile items and get it locally, and that is why mostly we avoid it. But for nearby locations, we can send it also. So as per your requirement, we make the entire unit. So broadly, three things. First, solid teak wood. Second, client's choice, most important part, that involves the size, as I've mentioned it, the height extra and the width extra as the client wanted. The design part, the client specifically designed this leg. They gave us a drawing that this is something they want, and we designed it accordingly. So the design part. Then the colors, the walnut shade here, you want lighter shade, darker shade, you want paint colors, all colors we are doing. And you can see in the 2000 videos we have posted on YouTube, the designs we have done, the colors we have done. What you like, we do it accordingly. Polish or paint, again, your choice. Last part is the price part. We are making it here, you're receiving at your home in India and in 55 countries that we are delivering to. So you always get the best price from Aarsun, the factory price, and the best deals. You can let us know your choice, your requirement. We make it accordingly and as per your choice. And that is the basic work we are doing. Durable designs in solid teak wood that last for years and years. And the brand of Aarsun that assures the quality. So the number is right here. Please contact us. Let us know what you're liking, what you like, what you want. We'll make that and deliver to your home. Thank you. Dhanyavad.